I'd like to talk about the Mantram repetition program, the focus of our research study. The first question I get is people ask me, why Mantram and not mantra? Well, technically, the Sanskrit root word is for mantra, comes from manas, meaning the mind, and tra, to cross over. So a mantra, or mantram, is a word or phrase that helps a person cross over the chatter of the mind. We use the word mantram particularly to denote its founder, Eknath Easwaran. He was a spiritual teacher of meditation. He founded the Blue Mountain Center of Meditation in California. And the tools and techniques that we teach are adapted from his 8-point program. So in the Mantram repetition program, we're really teaching how to choose and use a mantram to train attention and calm oneself, slowing down, meaning slowing down one's thoughts and behaviors, and practicing one-pointed attention. Now, the other reason we use the word mantram and not mantra is to differentiate our program from other mantra-based meditations. For example, transcendental meditation, or other types of practices such as mindfulness-based stress reduction, or compassion meditation, loving kindness meditation. All of these practices have one common denominator, which is usually something you're focusing your attention upon. And in the Mantram program, we simplify it by choosing a mantram, a word or phrase that each person chooses from a list that come from ancient spiritual traditions. And they use that to focus their attention all throughout the day. So what makes it kind of unique is it's not a sitting practice. We don't ask people to sit quietly with their eyes closed and repeat their passages or their breath or anything like that. Rather, they can practice mantram all throughout the day. So we encourage them to repeat it at night before they fall asleep, to repeat it in the middle of the night when they wake up and they maybe have a nightmare, or if they're walking down the street and a veteran might hear a helicopter and it triggers a flashback. Those are times that we encourage them to repeat the mantram to interrupt the stress response. And what we have found is that veterans are able to do this at any time, any place. And you repeat it when you don't need it, so that in those moments of hyperarousal or irritability, the mantram is more readily available to repeat it. And so the essence of the program is to train attention and help oneself calm down by using this mantram for self-regulation.